Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I would like to thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to speak on the food problem in the country full stop. In this connection, I would like to bring to your notice that the government have been taking all necessary steps to solve the issues arising out of this problem full stop. Next para, as you know, the people of this country generally expect that the government should continue to grant food subsidy, as a matter of right, full stop, taking into consideration, the needs of the people, the government are opening ration shops in rural as well as urban areas, full stop. Next para, I want to make it clear that though a large number of measures are being taken by the government, there has been a growing demand for a lot more to be done, full stop. I hope you are aware of the fact that it is very necessary to supply food articles at subsidized rates only to those who live below poverty line, full stop. You may be surprised to know that a good portion of the subsidy is being utilized by the rich section of the people also, full stop. Of course, there are a large number of bogus ration cards among the general public, full stop. In my opinion, these have to be identified and weeded out as soon as possible, full stop. I hope you will agree with me when I say this, full stop.